It seems reasonable to suggest that student engagement is an important part of the learning process. We have to have students focus, intently choose to engage. But it's not just the student's responsibility. We have to teach them to engage. We have to teach them to monitor their own engagement levels, to drive their learning because they see relevance. As part of this engagement and thinking through it, our goal is to teach students to drive. How do they take responsibility, seeking feedback, asking questions, monitoring their own progress, giving peer feedback, all of those things that indicate students are cognitively engaged in their learning. Now, part of that is through our processes. Do we teach engagement? Part of that is through the class structures, things like universal response opportunities, opportunities to collaborate with others, opportunities to reflect on your own learning. In addition, it's important to recognize that there are valid cognitive challenges to learning, and those cognitive challenges can be addressed. For example, multitasking is a cognitive challenge to learning. Not seeing relevance in learning, another cognitive challenge. Having a lack of prior or background knowledge, having too much cognitive load, all of those can cause students to disengage. And what if we learn to recognize the signs of those disengagement factors and then take action to re-invite students into the learning process? If we take a concerted effort and we allocate our resources, time, instruction, focus on teaching students about engagement, how to engage, and what to do when they don't feel engaged, we might just turn the tide and address some of that crisis of engagement that's been existing for the last couple of years.